Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be showing you a couple of ways in which you can redesign your Squarespace site. So let's get right into it. Now, as you can see, currently I'm in one of my Squarespace sites, and I'll be showing you guys how to redesign it. Now, if you want to redesign the entire site as a whole, what you're going to need to do is go to the website tab in the left-hand side menu and click on styles. Here you can select a style for your site. You can select one from a library of styles that are hosted on Squarespace, and I'm not sure why it's not showing me any styles, so let me just try and reload it again. Actually, let me try and reload the page. That might fix it. But yeah, there you can set up a couple of different things, such as your fonts. There we go, it's loading up the styles. Just a second, there we go. You can select an entire theme. If you click on themes, you have a couple of themes that you can select. You'll see the font, you'll see the color scheme, and you'll see the button appearance of your site here. And you can also edit your fonts if you want by clicking here on fonts. You can click on colors to change the colors of your site. And let me demonstrate that. You can easily select whichever colors you would like. For example, this version over here. You can select your button appearances over here. I'll select this circular one, and you can also select how your forms are going to look like. For example, let's select this one right here, and you can also go into miscellaneous and set up any animation, spacing, or image blocks. Now I'll just save this style right here, and as you can see, my entire site has been basically redesigned with the new style in mind. Now you can also click on edit on any page that you want, and you can add other sections, you can add other blocks, you can add text, you can add video, audio, images, buttons, forms, literally whatever you want. You can move them around, you can resize them. Literally, it is completely up to you. And yeah, that is basically all you need to know about redesigning your site. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.